What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let me tell you the symptom of bad uh, brake rotor. So when the vehicle running, if you apply the brake, and you can see the steering wheel will back and forth like this, okay? But I don't say what the speed you can able to see like that. Okay, you have to know when the vehicle running on low speed somewhere around like 40 miles an hour or less, or the vehicle on high speed like around 50-60 miles an hour on the highway. When the rotor start bending, it very slightly bending, and then you might see on high speed, like I say, around 50 or 60 miles an hour on the highway, or 50, 60 miles an hour on the highway. When the vehicle downhills, easy to see when you hit the brake and the steering wheel is very slightly shaking like this, back and forth, okay? But why I carefully tell you guys two different conditions when the vehicle on low speed, 40 miles an hour or less, drive around the town, you apply the brake, you don't feel anything. Why? Because the rotor is just from beginning start bending, okay? And then if on both low speed and high speed, every time you hit the brake, also shaking the same, low speed shaking, high speed shaking, and that means the rotor is getting worse by times, okay? For example, it start bending today, you may don't see any problem when on low speed or high speed. But a month later, when it runs, vehicle run at 50-60 miles an hour on the highway or downhill, and you might see very slightly the steering wheel shaking like this when we apply the brake. So, and the owner keep running like that for more, like for a few more months or for a year later, from the time it start bending, and then you may see it's shaking more. You know, it's when at high speed, but when it start shaking on all speed, low speed, high speed, that means the rotor is getting worse. Until if you guys don't change them, don't replace the rotor, it's somewhere when you hit the brake, it's not just only the steering wheel shaking like this, about this much, okay? And the whole front end of the vehicle shaking bad. Even you can hear the sound like, and when you release the brake, everything normal. And you hit it again, okay guys, don't let it go so far like that. It's not just only bad rotor, but when you run with a bad rotor like that, you may create more problem like arm control, bushing, something like that, or loosen the bolt, the nut, something like that, and it will cost you more money. And anyway, unsafe on very high speed running, okay? California, you can able to drive, as you can see right here, 80, 100 miles an hour. Yeah. What happened if you run about like 85, 90 miles an hour, and then you hit the brake, and boom, 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 like that. Something break, and then I don't know. Okay. Anyway, when you guys hit the brake on two different conditions, low speed and high speed. If from beginning it start on high speed first, and then if we don't change the brake for later, the rotor getting worse, and we'll shake on both low speed and high speed. Okay, but anyway, main thing today, I'm telling you guys, when you have the vehicle running, if you hit the brake, the steering wheel shaking back and forth like this, no matter what the condition, set too much or set slightly shake, or just only on high speed, go ahead and replace the front rotor for me. I recommend you guys don't need to check which rotor is bad, the left rotor or right rotor. I recommend you replace them both. Okay, let's go ahead out there, and I will make a little more on the video how to replace the front rotor. When you get the steering wheel shaking like this, just replace the front rotor for me. Okay, and I recommend on the brake job on the vehicle, you should jack the vehicle up in the air for both front wheel. Okay, up in the air, it's more easier for you guys working on the brake job. That's it, guys. That's all we have done on the brake rotor replacement job. So seems to be most of you guys already know how to remove the rotor. You can do on your own vehicle. If you have never done like this before, just go ahead and follow the video, And first thing you guys can start to do, make sure it's the safety first. Jog your wheel like that, and don't let the vehicle move at all. Jog the vehicle up in the air, and with the jack stand from the bottom like that on both sides. And of course now both front wheel up in the air, okay? Even you can see the left side too. And one thing, very, very important, listen carefully, guys. Even experienced mechanics sometimes mistake on the brake job, and very, very danger, super danger. Again, as you guys see, listen carefully on the brake job. I will show you guys something you should do, something you should not, and do not mistake on the brake job. By like right now, I'm done the brake rotor replacement on the passenger side, the right side, brake rotor replacement. Okay, everything put back on, everything done. But on the way, when I remove the rotor, you can see I use this screwdriver, pry the caliper out, let the brake it not hold on the rotor tight. Easy for me to hold the brake caliper with the brake pack in it, and then remove the whole thing. And then when I remove the rotor, put it back, everything tight. I'm okay. I don't mistake any on big wheel. Okay, I'm sure. How many more I loosen, how many more how I tighten them back, I'm okay right now. I don't think I mistake anything here. But carefully, guys, listen. Okay, let's go back in the car. I will talk more about this for you guys see. Okay. Okay, guys. On the brake job, no matter you do just only on one wheel, no matter which wheel you're working on, or you do all of them, 4 of them, okay? But on each wheel, when you're done, like I just done the passenger front wheel, okay, rotor replacement. On each wheel, after you're done, you have to get back in the vehicle. As you see the brake pedal right there, right now, yeah, you can brake it. You feel it softly. It all the way down to the floor, and do some more. See, easy, no paddle. Okay, now I feel I have the paddle right now. Okay, this step, very, very important. Should not forget to apply the brake, pump the brake a few times, and for the fluids back to the wheel, to the caliper where we were working on, and let the piston back down and bolt up brake package hold on the rotor. Okay, what happened if you forget or you don't? After you done the brake job, you might move the vehicle, right? No matter you move forward or backward. And then until you want to apply the brake, what happened? The vehicle move freely, no stop at all. What happened? Something stuck in the back. The human, the animal, the garage wall, something in the back of the vehicle or in the front of the vehicle. Sorry, I don't know what's going on. Okay, that's it, guys. One thing we talk about on this video about the brake rotor got some bad symptom and how to remove the brake. I know most of you guys know how to remove the brake pack brake rotor, but keep in mind that's what I say today in this video. After you're done each wheel, no matter you change the rotor, no matter you change the brake pack, after you're done everything put on, and when the caliper is outside, you should not brake, okay? If you brake, the piston it push out and maybe pop out the brake pack, even the piston pop outside and leaking fluids and the air getting in and you get more headed, okay? And after you're done everything, you should do this, okay? On each wheel, okay? Okay, that's it guys. Safety first, carefully when you do on your own vehicle, and carefully safety first. Follow this video, follow what I say, and then you can do on your own vehicle again, or after you done each wheel, pump it, and when you done all four wheels, you can remove the vehicle and you apply the brake. It will work for you. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.